Once the time comes to begin building a product or feature, it usually falls on the product manager to help put together and manage the roadmap. Since product managers sit at the intersection of engineering, marketing, customer success, and increasingly, finance and sales, there is no one better positioned to lay out the scope, work required, and end goals in order for all of the above to begin executing. In order to prevent the possibility of being blindsided and slowed down by last-minute requests for feature additions or changes from the various parts of the business, product managers are increasingly turning to nimble roadmaps that can quickly incorporate changes. This way, they can provide visibility into progress and learnings using a single source of truth that all teams can access. The primary value AI brings to product managers during the build phase comes in the form of product testing. With AI, product managers can incorporate testing of the product into their roadmap earlier. For example, AI tools can map their product's code base and quickly suggest how feature changes will impact the overall product, which saves precious time. Another part of the product manager's job during this phase is pulling together various types of documentation for engineering and design teams so they know what needs to be built, who's it for, and what success looks like. Here's a quick overview of 3 types. The first are user stories, which communicate product or feature requirements in the perspective of user value, and often follow the following format. As a type of user, I want to action, so that benefit. The second is a product requirements document, or PRD, which outlines what capabilities need to be included in a release so that design and development teams know what they need to design and build. The third is acceptance criteria, which are the conditions a product or feature needs to fulfill so a user performing a given task will accept it. With an assist from AI, product managers will be able to speed up this work, which can often be very manual and time-consuming in moments when they need to move quickly. For example, rather than drafting entire user stories and acceptance criteria from scratch, product managers can submit short descriptions to an LLM to generate the documents and then edit them from there. Similarly, product managers can input key information and have an AI tool generate a PRD based on the data it already has stored about the product and its users. As AI enables product managers to build, test, and release more functionality in shorter timeframes, this also means there will be more launches of all sizes. In the next lesson, we'll cover how AI can play a role in the 4th phase of the product management lifecycle, launch.